We are Envision BioMedical. My name is Sid Pawar. I am the CEO of the company, and this is
Jay Kunstler. I am the CTO.
We are a company that is developing new polymers for a whole variety of biomedical applications. Predominantly, we're focused on the ophthalmic industry, where we make new materials for contact lenses as well as ophthalmic implants that go into the eye. Beyond that, we are also engaged in the development of polymers that go for other applications such as wound healing and in case of chronic wound care.
Anything biomedical, that's our main focus. Out of the gate, we started the company about 3 years ago, and our primary focus was on development of improved contact lens materials, of which we have a variety on hand. And one particular formulation we plan to go through FDA clinical trials to get approval.
In our line of business, especially starting off as a new startup company, one of the challenges that we faced was for us to develop any of these materials, we need a chemistry lab. So we were in the search for the right facility that can have the right kind of resources and setup that is typically present in the chemistry lab. We looked far and wide. York College and Ben Franklin and their advisors were instrumental in getting us into this facility on the campus of York College of Pennsylvania, where we have been for the last 3 years. So we are greatly thankful to York College and Ben Franklin Technology Partners, and I encourage any new entrepreneurs who are looking to start their business to reach out to any of these resources and start your conversation. And you will be amazed if you take that first step, how many doors will open up for you. Because without their inputs, all of this would not be possible. It would only be an idea on paper. And that's the challenge that every startup company faces, is to translate that idea that's on paper into an actual product.
One of the first products that we developed, contact lens material, this in fact is one of our first clinically available lenses that we're really, really proud of. Now, the cool thing about contact lenses, or any biomedical device for that matter, is there's an incredible amount of technology that goes into that material. The contact lens weighs about 35 milligrams, but in my view, it's one of the more complicated contact lens or biomedical materials on the market. The amount of technology that goes in this material is unbelievable.
So this contact lens that Jay is holding up right now contains more than 80% water. Now the human cornea itself is only 78% water. So this is the first contact lens that we have developed for the market that exceeds the water content of the cornea. Why are we doing this? It's to address the comfort problem. Anybody who's ever worn a contact lens will tell you that as they get towards the evening time after wearing the contact lens since morning, experiences a lot of discomfort and dryness. And this is what our contact lens does. And this is our advantage over all other competitors on the market, is we have the highest water content and no dehydration when placed on the eye, which is going to translate into superior comfort